What is your name?
My name is Jessica.
How are you, Jessica?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Where do you live?
I live in London.
Nice. I live in Liverpool.
How long do you live there?
I've been living there for 15 years.
Do you live alone?
I live with my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Nice. I have a sister.
How many members are in your family?
We are 4. My mom, dad, my sister, and me.
What does your father do?
My father works in a bank.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
Great. I want to be a teacher when I complete my studies.
It's a good idea. Teaching is a great job.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I do gardening in my spare time. I love flowers. What do you do in your spare time?
I help my mother in the kitchen. I like cooking. What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Toronto, Canada.
Have you ever been to Canada?
Yes, I visited Canada last year.
What kind of people of Canada are?
They are very nice and welcoming.
What kind of weather is there?
It's very cold there in Canada.
What is Canada famous for?
Canada is famous for its beautiful sceneries.
What sport do you like?
I like table tennis. It's nice to meet you, Angelina.
Nice to meet you too. See you again.
See you soon.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.